Bam! You want to know how to take your rock edge to the next level with just a few simple products? Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay guys, I'm going to show you a really cool fun fact, pro tip, whatever you want to call it. I am a huge fan of glazing my edges when we do a rock edge after our color coat is dry. So on this particular countertop, our color coat is dry. We're gonna get ready to flood coat it. And I want to come in and glaze my edges so that it just gives those edges some dimension and some depth. I'm a huge fan of General Finishes glaze, but not everyone has access or want to spend the money to get a large can because they may not use it all. So I'm going to show you guys a really easy way to make your own glaze with any color paint that you want to use. So what I've done is I've just gone and bought the Krylon, and this is important. It has to be an acrylic paint, okay? Don't get an oil base. You want to make sure it's an acrylic base paint. Doesn't have to be a latex paint. It can just be, an acrylic paint. So you'll take that, and then you want to get you some Floetrol, also available at the same big box store that you got your paint, and a little bit of water. All right, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna make a black glaze. I'm gonna add a little bit of the paint, and a little bit of this goes a long way. All right, so I've got about, barely covers the bottom of the cup. Then I'm gonna come in with my Floetrol, and let's see, I'm gonna put, there's 1 capful. So right now we're probably at about a 1-to-1. And I think I like that. All right, so now, but I want you to see how thick it is. You see that, how thick? Now, if I were to use it like this, that's a very heavy bodied type of a glaze, which you could use it like this. It's not gonna flow. It's gonna be very, very opaque and very, very thick. And there are some applications that you may want to do that if you're going into really deep crevices, but I don't want my Floetrol that thick or that heavily bodied. So I'm gonna come in with some water, probably 2 capfuls is what I just did. Now by adding that water, I'm gonna shorten my open time. So what Floetrol is meant to be used for is to, painters use it to condition their paint, helps with their open time so that you have more time to manipulate the paint. So if you leave it just paint and Floetrol, your open time is gonna be a lot longer. You start adding water and you're gonna start shortening your open time, which in this case is what I want, because I want to be able to go to the next step and do my flood coat. All right, so this is about the consistency that you want. Okay, all right, so let's get started. So just get you an old chip brush, okay? We've got this area here, a really fun rock edge. So I'll come in here, and you don't have to be careful at all. So I'm just gonna get it all up in those crevices. You can stipple as you need to, okay? I could do this whole piece all the way down because remember, I've got a lot of open time here. All right, now I'm gonna come in with the shop towel, and I'll be honest with you, the best thing that I like to use is actually cheesecloth, but shop towel will work just fine. So now I'm just gonna very lightly rub, and now this is where your individual preference is gonna come in on how much you want to pull off. How much detail do you want in that edge? So I'm gonna pull off. Now, if I wanna get a more aggressive and pull off more of the product, just get you wet your shop towel and pull it. And now I'm coming off a little more aggressively. I can also come in and stipple and soften up my piece. I'll let this dry. And then when we flood it, it will be gorgeous, and it's gonna just give that rock edge such dimension. Because look at this, and then look at this over here. See the difference? Now, when this dries, this particular paint, we're not gonna be super shiny, but it will bring, the gloss will come back up, because you can see here as it dries, it gets a little dull. See that? But as soon as I haven't wiped all this off, as soon as I come back over with my flood coat, all of that's going to be high gloss again. I no longer offer our customers a rock edge without doing the glaze, because to me, it just takes that edge to the next level and just makes it look absolutely stunning. I hope you enjoyed this little fun fact, and I expect everyone to do this now to their edges. All right, guys, thanks. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found value in the content. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna try to hit 50,000 by this summer. Also, check out the links to the products that I used in the video description. Also, if you would like to see how to create a really authentic rock edge, we'll also include a video in the link below. All right, guys, and don't forget, until next time, don't be scared, move forward, and be creative.